So we went to the open class Spartan Sprint race with my Fitbit, and my son came with me, and we ran around in the dirt, got muddy, jumped over things, and had a good time. So the Fitbit was in workout mode, and I wanted to see just how many calories you burn as a workout on one of these. Now, my final finish time was 1 hour, 15 minutes. I came in 28th in my class, and you can't really even call this thing a race if you go in the middle of the day because you're waiting 10 minutes sometimes to get on an obstacle. So it's just more of a fun run. But let's see what the old Fitbit said. And the Fitbit was mud resistant as well. It survived. So 4.24 miles, pace of 18:46 per mile. There's my heart rate zone. So 25 minutes at max and then 43 minutes in the cardio zone, 6 minutes of fat burning. There's the graph. My peak heart rate maximum is 171, so I got pretty close to that and burned 834 calories in there. There were some low points in the graph where I think the mud got in the way and it didn't read my heartbeat properly. And I got 6,660 steps for the day. So I'd recommend it. Lots of fun. The Spartan Sprint Race. Just don't hurt yourself and have fun.